Hi everyone. Today I'm going to show you how we can start page number at specific page in Word document. For example, I don't want to have page number at first page here. I don't want to have page number here. I just want to start page number from this page. How we can do it? First, if you have page number at this page, just double click on it and page number, remove page number, close header and footer. Now I don't have any page number. Okay. Just to activate header and footer, just double click on header and footer. Here I have page number, bottom page number, which style you want. For example, I want the style. Close header and footer. If I check, you see here I have page number. Also here I have page number. At this page I have page number, but it's number 3. I want have page number here, start at page number 1. And at the above pages, I don't want to have page number. So click here, because I want to start page number at this page. Just insert cursor here, then layout, breaks, next page, or insert a section break. Okay, now a section break is added. If I click home and add this icon, here I can see my section break. Good. Remove this icon. Then if I click here, double click here, just unlink this one, uncheck this one. Good. Now page number, format page number, start at page number 1. Okay, good. Close here, come to top. Here I have page number 1. Just double click on it. Simply you can tap delete on your keyboard to remove, or from page number, remove page number, then close header and footer. Now I don't have page number at the first page. I don't have page number at the second page. I only have page number starting from this page. Page number 1, page number 2, and so on. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like it, leave a comment, and subscribe. Have a nice time.